Hey you guys, welcome back to Kitty's Toy Boutique. Today's featured toy is going to be this ferocious monster of the Road Rippers. It's for ages 3 and up, and in a few seconds we're going to show you just exactly what this incredible dune buggy can do. It's an off-road rumbler. On the reverse side of the box, we have another featured color of the Road Ripper. You can have the pleasure of pretty much collecting both of these items. I think first of all, the detailing of this dune buggy, it's incredible. It's so lifelike. It's pretty durable. Just complete detailing, looks so realistic. In a few seconds, we're gonna just take this box apart, take it out the box, and see what we're working with here. So without any further delays, let's hurry up and get this thing out this box. Kids, always remember to have your parents assist you whenever you need to take toys like this out of the box, because you have to use sharp objects such as scissors in order to cut the straps. Let's just make sure that this one is cut completely out of the box. So we're able to get the back portion of the box open, and we cut the last strap at the bottom here. So let's take this bad boy out. Look at that. He's ready to go already. It's not waiting for no one. So as you can see, this is a fine looking toy. Look at the detail work. Look at the off-road tires. Very powerful vehicle. Makes a great holiday gift for your nephew or your son. Let's look on the inside and see what we have. Wow, look at that detail. Nice life. Gear sticks. On the back you have your featured buttons. This one starts the car. Alright, you hear that engine? Yeah, let's go. Alright, that was nice. And now we're going to play some music while we're driving. So let's start this baby up. Alright. As you can see, this button here also starts the car. So I think what I need to do is put this thing on the floor just to see what it has. Oh, LED headlights. Do some off-roading with this thing, so let's go. Right, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna attempt a cliff dive. Ah!